Hi y'all, welcome to Cyndi's RV Kitchen. Today we are going to make a Crockpot Bourbon Chicken. I've never made it before, so first time for me too. So first thing we're going to do is just put the chicken, it's chicken thighs, and it's about 2 pounds worth. So I'm going to put those in the crock pot, and I'm going to salt and pepper both sides of them. We're doing thighs. I mean, that's what the recipe calls for, but it also makes them very tender too. So this is the first for me as well, y'all, so I hope that you will give this a try. Well, we'll see what it tastes like when it's all said and done, but it should be, I mean, everything in it sounds really good. So let's see how it all turns out. Okay, so they're in there, and let me just, so I'm going to salt and pepper both sides. Okay, I'm going to flip them over and we'll do the other side. I mean, it's so quick. This recipe is so quick and easy, and we will serve it over rice this evening when we have dinner. Okay, so that's that, and next we are going to make a little sauce, and we're going to use 3/4 cup of brown sugar packed, and then 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I think that's about all I got left too. So it's probably gonna work out just about right. Yep, good enough. And then you can use, for the juice, you can either use bourbon, apple juice, or chicken broth. And we're gonna do the apple juice. And we need 1/3 cup of that. Okay. And the only other ingredient is, calls for 2 cloves of garlic. I'm using 3 because we like garlic. Okay. Give my hands a little wash. Okay, we're just going to whisk this together, and then we're going to pour it over the chicken. In about 30 minutes before it's done, we're going to make a little slurry with 3 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, just to thicken it up. Okay, so here we go. I mean, don't those ingredients sound pretty good? I mean, gosh. It's going to be like a sweet sauce, obviously. I just want to get the chicken all under there as best I can anyway. Okay, so that's that. And So we're going to cover it. We're going to cook it for 4 hours on low. And then we'll, 3.5 hours, we're going to make the slurry. And we'll put that in, thicken it up, and let it cook another 30 minutes. We'll cook the rice, and we'll make our dinner, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards and what it tastes like. So hope you like it too. Hi everybody, so I think our dinner is about ready. Our Crockpot Bourbon Chicken made with apple juice. I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of green onion. And the rice is done, so we'll just serve this up. And let's see what it tastes like. This kind of makes it pretty, and you can't go wrong with green onion anyway. Okay, let's give this a try. Guess I could have a spoon. Ready? Okay, let's get some rice. And let's put some of this chicken with the beautiful onion and gravy sauce. It's still hot, so let's see. I broke up the chicken into smaller pieces just so they'd be more like a bite size. I didn't like shred it, but just broke it up into smaller pieces than the whole thigh. Okay, here we go. It's really good. It's hot, but its chicken is tender. The flavor is perfect. It's really, really good. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and so I'm talking with my mouth full. Thank you for watching, and the recipe will be in the description. So I hope you'll like and subscribe to our channel if you like this recipe.